And hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today we'll be learning about max and min. Now these can be used to find the maximum or the largest value in a selected column and the smallest or lowest value. So I think here at employees we should get we don't get a salary, suppliers, orders, maybe there's a price. There's no price? Okay, we're just going to skip out from using it here. Let's go back here. So if we just describe employees, this just describes the table form. So here's the field name, the type it is, and we'll get into a lot of these things later, but it's not allowed to be null, it's a primary key, what's its default value, and any extra information. But anyways, so here, no salaries. Let's go show tables. And sure enough, here's a salaries table. And then we can just say describe salaries to see what we can use. As you can see, here's a salary we could use. So if we go select star from salaries, limit 10. Okay, there we go. So here's all the salaries, but sometimes you want to know who has the lowest salary or who has the lowest of something. So what you can do is you can actually say something in the form of we get the min or the minimum, and here we can just say salary, because we want to get the person or the salary that is the lowest. So what we can do is we can run this, and we can remove the limit 10 because it's going to return 1 by default. As you can see, the lowest salary is 38,000. Okay, so that is the basics of just using minimum, and then max will kind of do the same thing. So you can go max, and boom, the guy that gets the most paid gets that much. Of course, we will get to using this with other clauses as well, but for right now you can just know that this exists, and we will get deeper into the more difficult parts where you can actually specify more and whatnot. So thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed and now know what min and max does.